Last week, Ripple has some good development against the SEC court case. Cryptocurrency had a little jump up, however, I remain bearish. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. I want to personally invite you for a special offer. A free trial on our trading community. That way you can capture the trade. Look, people from our community already profit and we share daily trading opportunity on Forex, stock market and cryptocurrency. So if you want to try this out, it's a 30-day free trial at the moment. I hope to see all of you there. Okay, let's get right in. Let's have a look at Ripple first, all right? So look at this spike. Okay, I think almost 100% on Thursday, right? So there's some positive development from the court case against the SEC. So on Thursday, you can see price jump from 46 cents to almost 93. So yeah, close to 100%, 90-odd%. I have a friend that said, "Did you capture that?" Although I look at chart every day, I miss that. But there is something a bit unhealthy about this, right? Why did I say that? In a technical points, Friday straight away, there's no follow through, can't even break through the previous Thursday high. Now we're just ranging. Wouldn't surprise me the coming days that we're gonna drop back down and then slowly ease off. So it's not, don't get super excited by one news bar. That's not how I trade anyway. So Ripple, yeah, they jump up, but underlining, I don't think it's still healthy. All right, let's go back to the king of crypto. All right, start off with the weekly. You can see now we do have, just open it up a little bit bigger so you can see we have a high test bar weekly, which is a very, very strong reversal bar, right? This in here is trying to reject the 30,000 handle. All right, if we drop below, I could be a seller back to around the 24, take some profit, or even maybe even lower. So I remain a bit cautious, in fact more bearish than anything on cryptocurrency still. The way to trade it would be using my platform to do it. Let me show you our recommended trading broker. So this is our recommended trading broker, IG. You can trade cryptocurrency, you know, loads of instruments to trade, index, Forex, everything you can find in there, okay? So my plan is wait for a clean break through this area, 29, retest in here, and then short down to here, to 24. How much profit can you potentially make from a trade like this? Let me just show you an idea. So let's say if I want to sell through here, and profit target is say around 24, 25, around this area. I usually bet around 2-3k, say, you know, around this area, 2.4k. If that's the case, you can see from that you can generate from £2,400 to £17,000 on this. So I'm waiting for the right entry, right price action for me to get in. If you're becoming a member of my private trading community, when I decided to take the trade, you'll get on the day when I'm going to take the trade, exact prices that I'm going to take it. That way you won't miss it. All right, although you may not need that, you may need that, it's up to you, but it's free to trial. I guarantee you see a huge amount more support than just the 10-minute YouTube video, right? Moving on to Ethereum. Price is, you know, it's not bullish. Why am I saying that? If you look at this, right, the buyer bar is becoming weaker and weaker. One day buying on Thursday, barely broke higher and then reverse again. Price is not as clean to trade, so I'll probably trade Bitcoin, but if price stay below 1800, I think, yeah, we're heading back down to around the 1400 area, okay? Do you guys agree with my plan, or do you have any question? Drop me a comment below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and see you guys next time. Bye bye.